Nakal Amaromda, Union Finance Minister Nagase Parliament Union Budget Senba Sahi 2024-25 Puthokiba Adubo, State Minister N. Biren Singha Amade, Raja Sabha ke MP Lesema Sana Zawona, Taramno Okre, Nakal Amaromda Ngasigi Union Budget Aduda, Ude Deska Am Nagrik Haiba Udangi, Makada Lebak Sin Tungadaba, Aeroplane Gi Kutanga, Mafum Amaga, Marakta Ahin Flight Masing Amadi, Flight Tafam Singh, Hengalagani Haina, Union Finance Minister na, Thamki Wafam Adubu, State Minister N. Biren Singhana, Mahaki ex handle the Taram Olali. Masigaluna Micro Small Amadi, Medium Enterprises, Haibadi, MSME da, Anoba classification gi criteria sing, Thamlakpa Luina, MSME gi, Kutanga investment ki limit Amadi, Maduda, turnover ki limit sing, Hanadagi Hingalakiva sing Asina, entrepreneur, local business, trade amadi, commerce ki lamda, awang nong pokta asoba kanaba, Piragani Haina Tagatwa Fondoki.
A modified UDAN scheme will be launched to enhance regional connectivity to 120 new destinations and carry 4 crore passengers in the next 10 years. 4 crore additional passengers in the next 10 years. The scheme will also support helipads and smaller airports in hilly, aspirational and northeast regional districts. Greenfield airports will be facilitated in Bihar to meet the future needs of the state.